Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. What are we gonna do? We don't even know how to cook. I'm hungry.
Did somebody say Shadow the Hedgehog?
No one said it. Yeah, like, where did you even come? Were you hiding behind that chair the whole entire time?
We don't talk about that. Anyways, you guys said you were hungry, right?
Yeah, we didn't even eat breakfast yet, I guess. You can't even say lunch. No, we didn't even eat breakfast or lunch. Yeah, I'm starving. I literally just woke up.
Well, luckily I'm here to teach you guys how to make a sandwich. But of course, before I teach you guys how to make a sandwich, we get to do kitty cat. Did I wake you up? Back to our video.
Why did he just go in the living room? I have no idea. You better make it good.
Whatever you say, pal. First thing you're going to want to get is the cereal, the honey bun, bunches of oats. Of course, it's delicious and nutritious.
Okay, this is very interesting.
Bro, where are your notes? Write this down. Write this down.
Oh crap, I'll be right back. What is this conveniently placed notebook and pen doing here? Whatever, I'm taking it. Got it. Sonic, why are you so bad at writing? Whatever, just hurry up.
Next thing you're going to want to do is examine your fridge for the milk. There it is.
Examine fridge for milk. Lol. Smiley face. He. Sonic, you need to learn back how to spell. I know how to spell. Handwriting. Oh. Is my handwriting really that bad? Yes, it's terrible. You almost what? You misspelled milk. And just hurry up and just listen. Okay.
Ouch, I fell. Alright, okay, let me just get the milk. Ouch. Okay, let's try that again. Let's get the milk. Chaos control.
Hey, John.
What's good, kids?
Should I write that down?
Yeah, you should write it down because, you'll be cool like me.
Not even cool, but I'll write it down anyway. Let me write it. Okay, Gringo. Kids. There, Sonic. That's how you write something neat. You're not even writing on the line. Oh, hush up. Anyways, Shadow, go.
Next thing you want to do is go get your bowls. I'll be right back with the bowl. Alright, so what you want to do is get this bowl. Move that. How do I? Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Ah! Ouch, chihuahua. Anyways, you want to get your plate, so... Oh, frick. Next thing you want to do is get your... Hey! Yeah? Yeah, I am. Okay, bye. Was that a human controlling Tweet Tweet?
I have no idea. Oh my god, that was terrifying.
Anyways, you want to get your spoon? Now that you have your spoon, put the cereal... Wait. Do you pour the cereal or the milk first?
The cereal, duh. The milk, of course.
Chaos control.
Where are you taking me to chaos control? Where did you put him?
Let's just say he's gonna be in a spiral of water.
You didn't put him in the toilet.
Yeah, I did.
Huh? Where the heck am I? Crap. Ah! Why is it closing?
Anyways, you want to pour the cereal first.
What type of psychopath pours milk first?
Exactly. It's like, you'd be crazy. So you want to pour your cereal. Once you've done the cereal, you want to chaos control the cereal, the milk into the cereal. Chaos control. But what if you don't have chaos control? Pour it yourself, lazy bum.
Okay.
Chaos control. Now, once you got the milk into the cereal, you want to get your spoon. Easy. Put your spoon.
Do I have to make all those grunting sounds?
Yes, you do. Okay, anyways, you idiot.
Make grunting sounds.
Close enough. And then once you've done this, you want to put all of your ingredients away.
Put away ingredients.
Dude, it sounds like you said put away weed.
Demonetization!
Right. It looks like you just put a word that people do, which is very bad, and they might die. Demonetize! Okay. they're gonna go to sleep forever if they do this thing, which is very healthy. I mean, not healthy. Don't do that, kids. But just put your stuff away.
Ugh. 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 Oh, hey, green guy, what's good? I'm going to get revenge on that hedgehog. Whatever, you do you.
Next thing you want to do. Oh, hey, green guy. Anyways, next thing you want to do is put the milk away. Put the milk away. Green guy.
This is for chaos controlling me into the toilet.
What are you doing? No!
Bad word. Oh, hey, Sage. Green guy, he wasn't done with the tutorial. So? No, I'm putting you back into it. Oh, hey, kitty cat. I don't feel like it. Hey, kitty cat. Anyways, I got the rest of the thing down, but I'm just gonna eat my cereal. Bye.